In this video, we will learn about water cycle or hydrological cycle. The movement of water on the earth is continuous and forms many complex interrelated loops. Cycle of water involves atmosphere, sea, earth and the entire living biota. The circulations of water is highly dynamic and global in extent. However, for the sake of convenience, it is divided into different categories. Precipitation. Precipitation include all forms in which atmospheric moisture descends to earth in the form of rain, snow, hail, sleet and dew. The moisture that enter the atmosphere by the vaporizations of water condense either into liquid or solid before it can fall. Water returns to the land and the sea from the atmosphere by the means of condensation, deposition and precipitation. Condensation is defined as a process by which water changes from vapor phase to liquid state. Deposition is the process by which water changes directly from vapor into a solid phase. In the atmosphere, tiny droplets of water and ice crystals produced through the condensation and deposition form of cloud. The major amount of water on the earth is received as rainfall. The water cycle in nature is sustained by energy from the sun. Solar energy evaporates water from the sea and the land. Water vapor condenses in the atmosphere to form cloud, which are transported to long distance by wind. Rainfall and melted snow replenish water in rivers, which carry it back to the sea. Runoff. Some of the rainfall is soaked into the soil and excess water flow over the land surface along the natural slope of the area. Runoff is the main sources of water for lake and the river, which ultimately drain into the sea. The flowing water acts as an agent of soil erosion and weathering of the underlying rock. Excessive runoff during the rainy season causes flood in many parts of the country. Sublimation. It is the process by which solid water changes directly to vapor phase without passing through the intervening liquid phase. The gradual disappearance of flakes of ice during the periods when the temperature remains well below freezing is an example of sublimation. Evaporation. It is the process by which liquid water changes into vapor at ambient temperature. Water evaporation from all aquatic bodies as well as from wet surface. Evaporation from the ocean surface is by far the largest sources of atmospheric water vapor. Transpirations. It refers to the loss of water in vapor form from plant leaves. On land, transpiration is considerable. For example, the loss of water through transpirations alone by 1 hectare of corn approximately amount of 35,000 liters of water each day.